Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Health and Wellness Unlocked. Today I am going to tell you about homemade preservative-free biotin powder for luxurious hair, smooth skin and strong nails. Introduction. Biotin, often referred to as vitamin or vitamin H, is a water-soluble B vitamin that plays a crucial role in supporting various metabolic functions in the body. While it contributes to the metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, biotin is perhaps best known for its remarkable benefits for hair, skin, and nail health. Widely recognized as a key component in beauty supplements and hair care products, biotin has gained popularity for its ability to promote luscious locks, glowing skin, and strong, healthy nails. In this introductory exploration, we'll uncover the wonders of biotin and its myriad uses in enhancing our overall well-being and beauty from within. Dreaming of luscious locks and strong, healthy nails? Look no further than the power of biotin, a B vitamin renowned for its role in promoting hair and nail health. While commercial biotin supplements abound, many contain additives and preservatives that may not align with your wellness goals. Fear not. In this comprehensive guide, we'll embark on a journey to create your own preservative-free biotin powder at home. Packed with natural goodness, this type of solution will nourish your hair and nails from the inside out, empowering you to unleash your inner radiance and vitality. Understanding biotin. Biotin as vitamin or vitamin H is a water-soluble B vitamin essential for various bodily functions, including the metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. However, it is perhaps best known for its role in maintaining the health of our hair, skin, and nails. Deficiencies in biotin can manifest as brittle nails, hair loss, and dry, scaly skin. Supplementing with biotin can help address these issues and support overall hair and nail health. Benefits of homemade biotin powder. Making your own biotin powder at home allows you to control the quality and purity of the ingredients, ensuring that you are getting a preservative-free product that aligns with your wellness goals. By using natural sources of biotin, such as nutritional yeast or certain foods high in biotin like nuts, seeds, and eggs, you can harness the full spectrum of nutrients that promote hair and nail health. Biotin powder recipe. Ingredients: nutritional yeast raw nuts, e.g., almonds, walnuts, seeds, e.g., sunflower seeds, flax seeds. Instructions: grind the raw nuts and seeds into a fine powder using a high-speed blender or food processor. Mix the powdered nuts and seeds with nutritional yeast in a ratio of 2:1, e.g., 2 cups of powdered nuts and seeds to 1 cup of nutritional yeast. Store the homemade biotin powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Incorporating biotin powder into your routine. Add a spoonful of homemade biotin powder to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or other favorite recipes to boost your intake of this essential vitamin. Be consistent with your biotin supplementation to reap the full benefits for your hair and nails. Incorporating it into your daily routine can help you achieve the desired results over time. Additional tips for healthy hair and nails. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for maintaining the health and hydration of your hair and nails. Eat a balanced diet. Incorporate nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to support overall hair and nail health. Practice good hygiene. Keep your hair and nails clean and moisturized, and avoid harsh chemicals and excessive heat styling. Conclusion. In conclusion, homemade preservative-free biotin powder offers a natural and effective solution for promoting luscious hair and strong nails. By harnessing the power of natural ingredients and incorporating biotin-rich foods into your diet, you can nourish your body from the inside out, unlocking the secrets to radiant beauty and vitality. With dedication and consistency, you'll soon discover the transformative effects of biotin on your hair and nails, empowering you to embrace your natural beauty with confidence and grace. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my video.